Just finished it up. So, getting ready to do the second Sawyer. Just ground all the bad spots out from the outside. Pull all these stickers off. So that was it. Got this canoe for 50 bucks. See what it looks like when we're done. Alright, we got the 17 family Sawyer canoe here that we're redoing. Got this off Marketplace. I was asking 50 bucks for it. Or actually 75, I got it for 50. Had some holes in it, so we've repaired those. We blasted from the inside. Dylan's just finishing up an overall scuff over the whole thing. So these were some pretty big holes here. So we're going to get these little pieces out. So what we'll do is we'll put braces on the inside. That'll push those out. Then we'll glass braces in from the inside. Get it all cleaned up. So what we're doing is we're prepping this for the veil. We're going to do a snake skin on this. So we're scuffing the whole surface of the Gelcoat. So when we put the veil down, it's going to be a clear polyester marine grade Gelcoat. So we'll put that down, put the veil on it, get it to saturate in, and then we'll start building layers of clear coat over it. Sorry for the noise, but trying to hurry and get this done. We've got a family cruise trip in a week and a half. This is going to look bomb diggity when we're done. Got to take the rest of these old stickers off, and then we'll be ready to go. Just getting ready to redo the family 17 here. Picked this up on Marketplace, had some holes in it all the way through. Get her all touched up. Had some big holes all the way through here. So when you look underneath, you'll see the repair jobs here. So the inside will get all resprayed when we're done here. This is going to be the kids' canoe. Just got to pick out a pattern. Okay, getting ready to apply the veil. We've got the canoe all roughed up. What we've done is we've taken some Rust-Oleum red and just put some like little tiger stripes so that darker red will come through the veil once it's wet out. We're going to use a Loctite spray adhesive to apply the veil. Alright, so we got the saturation coat on. So this is already dry to the touch, but I'm done for the day. We will come back tomorrow and start building our layers up. I'll build them all tomorrow. Probably gonna be 4 or 5 trips back and forth to build it up. We'll probably build about 20 mils of Gelcoat on top of what we have right now. That's when you'll really start to see the depth of this veil come out, the snake skin. Looks pretty good right now, but when it pops, it'll really pop. Sort of like when we did this guy right here. You'll see the real depth. All right, Dylan is just finishing up with 800 on the DA. My side is done. I'm getting ready to wheel it out so you can see what it looks like right now. This baby's about to shine. It's hard to...
Red digital camo came up. That's what it looks like. It looks like a red...
Right, yeah, the hunting blinds I did look just like that.
But it's almost like magenta.
I don't know how well this is going to look with the sun beaming down on it, what's coming out of it, but straight up Class A. So Dylan's going to finish beaming this guy out. You can see where I stopped. Got some more work to do, and then his side, he just got done 800 in the whole side. So that is what mine looked like. Just finished it up.